Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite CAT Prep channel Quantifiers, and today is yet another set in our daily DILR series like always. So before we proceed, this is what you need to do if you want to be the part of this series. I'll add you to a different dedicated WhatsApp group and your new journey will begin. Also, we have this course along with the dedicated CAT course which you can be a part of. If this section is giving you some additional trouble, this is just made for you. Okay. So what do we have for today's set? Today we are going to do a conditional arrangement, which if started on a wrong note is a perfect messy set. If you will do it strategically, it is an easy one to do. Let's see. So if you haven't gone through the set yet, I request you to please go through the set once and then we will move on. So there are 11 dancers of elite dance group: Arun, Amar, Anthony, Anama, so on, so on, so on. They are participating in a dance program. And they have some layout. This is the layout in which they will have. So they are in an imaginary grid, and this is the layout they have to follow. And then there are some conditions given to us. Conditions are neither Arun nor Akhil are in the same row or column, and so forth and so on. So these are all the things. Let's see what we have. So I have taken this configuration that I'll place all my information here. So let's read the points and let's start placing them one by one if whatever fits in. First, neither Arun nor Akila are in the same column as dancer 3 or dancer 10. So dancer 3, dancer 10. So Arun and Akila are not here. So Arun plus Akila, they are lying somewhere here in these three places. So it is not necessary that they are together, but these are the three columns in which they can be. Second, the dancer 11 is in same column as Akka. Okay, so dancer 11 is in the same column as Akka. So Akka must be somewhere here in this row. But one thing is sure that dancer 11 is not Akka because he is in the same row as Akka. Okay. Who is neither in the same column as Arul. So Akka is not in the same column as Arul. Okay. And nor in the same row as Akbar or Anama. So Akka is not in the same row of Akbar and neither in the same row of Anama. So Akka के साथ Anama भी नहीं आएगा. So write it. Okay. Okay. Now, third point, Antony and Akbar must be in same row. So Antony and Akbar, they must be in the same row. Amar and Albert are in the same column. Amar and Albert, they are in the same column. Okay. Now Anbu and Aribu are in the same column. Anbu and Aribu are in the same column. Okay. Antony and Anama are in the same column. So Antony is already here. So Anama is also sorry, and same column. So Anama is somewhere here. It is not necessary that she is below Antony. She can be upwards also, but it is just a I will remember this, and it is just a diagram. She can be above also. Okay. Neither Arun nor Akila nor Akka is dancer 11. So neither Arun भी नहीं आएगा, Akila भी नहीं आएगी. At the place of dancer 11. Okay, fine. So this is again done. Anbu and Amar are in the same row. So sorry, this is Akila and Akbar are in the same column. Akila and Akbar. So Akbar and Akila, they are in the same column. Let's connect them. Again, it is possible that Akila is above Akbar or below. So we will see that according to situation. Okay. Anbu and Amar are in the same row. There are three dancers between them. So this is only one possibility that this is the only possibility where there are three dancers between them. Okay, fair enough. Now, and what is given to me that Amar is on the left of Anbu. So Amar is here and Anbu must be here. If Anbu is here, I know that Amar and Albert are in the same column. So this is Albert. And then this is Aribu. Antony and Arul are in the same row. So Antony and Arul are also in the same row. Okay. There, Arul is to the immediate left of Antony. So these three are in the same row. So now it was possible here or it was possible here. But since this portion is not possible because this is already occupied by Albert and Arrigo, so only one thing is possible, that is these three places. So and they will come as Arul and Antony and Akbar. Antony and Arul and the Akbar. So, okay, this is done. So what else do we have now? Antony and Anama are in the same row. So Antony is here. Anama has to come somewhere here. So I also know that Akka is also here. Since Akka cannot be answer 11, which is given to me, therefore Akka will come here. So Anama, who is the third person in this row, will come here. She is the answer 11. Akbar and Akila are in the same column. So Akbar and Akila are here. So all places are filled. One place is left. Who is left? Arun is left. So there is only one person left. That is Arun. Arun is left. So Arun will come here. This completes my arrangement. Perfect. So if see, this was a pretty straightforward arrangement, but had we started it on a wrong note, or I would have started making cases from the very beginning and tried to place the people, then this is not the right way. Why? Because in such sets there are always some interconnections, and those intersections or interconnections will come out clearly only and only if we can connect them through a graph or something. Okay. So let's move to the questions that we have. So what is the first question? Who is dancer number 11? Dancer number 11 I know is Anama. Okay. So dancer number 11 is this one. So this is Anama. Okay. Second. No dancer dances twice, then in how many ways the dance can be performed? Okay, so there was one important information given about the dancer. What was that? That was, we missed this point. The dance will be played by the 11 dancers is so unique that only one dancer can dance at a given point of time. Okay. Also, it is known that the first movement of dance is done by dancer 11. So dance starts from here, from Anama. And any successive movement is done by the dancer who is either horizontally or vertically next to the dancer and completed his movement. So and after Anama, I can go to Akka or I can go to Antony. So, okay. And if I am at Akka at this place, I can either go at this place, I can either go at this place, I can either go at this place. So there are three places where I can go. So what next? Next is that the final movement of dance is either done by dancer 1 or dancer 2. The final move is either done by him or her, or him or her, or by both, because it is not given that it has to be one of them. So it has to be completed by one of them. So what is the second question? The second question asks us, if no person dances twice, what is in how many ways can the dance be performed? So let's start from here. Anama. What are the possibilities? After Anama, I have two possibilities, Akka and Antony. So let me take two cases. First, let me take Anama to Antony. There is only one way of going there. Okay, so one way. And now, after Antony, if I see I have two ways and both are symmetrical, I either have to go this way or I have to go this way. So, अगर मैं एक तरीके का पैटर्न निकाल लूं, and if I double the number of cases, मेरे पास सारे cases आ जाएंगे Antony के. Basic thing, because this is a symmetrical figure. So if I count the number of ways from one side, I will get it from both the sides. So what is the one side? So if I go this way, after this I can either go here, this is one way, or I can go here. These are two ways. So Anama, Akka, Antony, Arun. This is one. Anama, Akka, Antony, Arun and Akila. This is second case. So in one case I am using only dancer 1, then I am using dancer 2. So this is there, then here also these are two cases. Okay. Like from here I can go here and here. So there are four cases if I go to from Anana to Antony. So there are 4 cases. If I choose the first part, Anana, Antony, and then there are four ways further. So let me then sacrifice this way and let me think of what are the different possible ways for if we go from Akka. Now from Akka there are 2 ways, this one and this one. Again, can I say both are symmetrical? So if I count the cases from one place, I will count the places from both the cases. I will just double it. Okay, so I'll just count it from here. So what comes here? One way and 2 ways. Perfect. Okay. I'll just change the color. That is for one way and this is second way. Then this is third way from here only. Third way and then also this final way. 4 ways. So there are 4 ways in which I can move from this way, this, and this. So there are 4 ways ultimately if you see diagrammatically. So if I have 4 ways from this way, then there will be 4 ways from this way also. There are 8 more ways then. So 8 more ways. So in totality, how many ways are there? Then in totality, there are 12 ways. So 12 ways are there in which I can arrange them or I can make the dance happen. So a good question, a very good question. You can also do it by the permutation and combination way if you try to allocate the ways, but we did it in a pretty simple way. Who is Arun? So Arun is dancer 1. So option number 4. Arun is dancer 1. So this completes my set that we had. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And before we go, like I always say, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you wish to be the part of this league, join us as soon as possible. Next one could be you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very great day.